So welcome to the 2024 Fountaine Pajot Elba 45. Let's go have a look. Stepping on here, the first thing you notice is the swim ladder, and then you've got an incredible swim platform that raises and lowers and also supports the tender. Okay, as you come on board, you really come to the masterpiece of the whole boat. It's this incredible spacious cockpit. You've got a beautiful table here, lots of seating for friends and family to socialize, good storage underneath the benches, a sun pad up here to the left, and then it opens up to this incredible salon. Look how wide these doors and windows open. So really, when these are wide open like this, you've got the feeling of just one big, gigantic living room. Of course, you've got a stove inside, refrigerators, freezers, an oven. And then of course, outside, you've got your barbecue grill. What a fantastic living space for everyone. Okay, so just 2 steps up from this cockpit area is the helm, and that's important because the helmsperson and whoever's driving the boat still has full communication with all of the guests down here and the sky bridge above, which I'll show you in a minute. The Helm Station is where the driver's going to be, obviously, but what's really unique about this and super nice and well thought out is that the driver of the boat is sitting here, the helmsperson, and they can talk to people and socialize down below, as well as the sky bridge and all the seating up here. So you've got great visibility, great communication all around. And for docking, they've done another nice thing here where when you back your boat into the slip, you can center the rudders and then you can run the engines and run independently here. You got great visibility fore and aft for backing in. Let's go up and take a look at the flybridge here. As you come up through here, you see how much incredible space we've got up here. You can probably seat 8-10 people up here. And then if you look forward, you've got 2 nice sun pads and you can lay out and get some sun. So this is a great area for socializing, listening to music, enjoying the sun and the weather and your friends. Okay, so now we're on the bow of the Elba 45. And the first thing you notice again is a lot of space, great comfortable area, another comfortable area for relaxing. These pads can either lie flat or they become chaise lounges. And then of course you've got the trampoline here, which is great for the kids and they love seeing the water go by. Maybe you see the dolphins down below. It's also fantastic for anchoring, picking up mooring balls and things like that. One of the things that Fountaine Pajot is really excited about is the performance of their boats versus the regular run-of-the-mill charter boat type catamaran. When you look at this rig, super tall rig, you've got a square top main, full battens, drops down into a lazy cradle. The boom is low on this boat, which gives you a massive mainsail size. And then you've got an overlapping roller furled Genoa instead of a standard self-tacking boat. So you've got a ton of sail area, great performance out of this machine. So welcome to the Salon of the Elba 45. Off to the right here, you've got a navigation station, communications, radio, and your stereo, of course, and then the TV's over there as well. The galley portion is here in the Salon, a great 3-burner stove, a nice gas oven with a rotisserie, ample freezer, really ample refrigerator, double sinks for getting the dishes done. So this is another great place to hang out on the boat, and it's wide open to the cockpit, creating one giant space. Okay, so now we're down in the starboard hull of the boat, which is a 2-cabin starboard hull. Each cabin forward, this is the aft cabin, lots of natural light. You've got a walk-around queen berth. You've got under the bed storage. You've got storage in the floorboards. You've got a storage closet here. So just tons of space, tons of light, and very comfortable. And then in through this hatch is a head with a separate shower stall, and the other guests in the front of the boat get the same thing. Okay, so as you come forward from the aft cabin that I just showed you, I wanted to point this out. This is a massive cabinet here, and the reason I pointed out is because it is wired and plumbed already for a washer and dryer setup, which you can add to the boat later. Then you come forward and you get another beautiful queen berth. Walk around, lots of storage again, under the floor, under the bed, nice closet here, and then the head here is also a head with a separate shower stall. So this is the Maestro version of the Elba 45, and this entire port hull is dedicated to the owner, and it's just amazing. Beautiful queen bed here, walk around again, massive storage underneath the floor, underneath the bed. We've got a makeup table slash desk here. And in the forward part of the cabin, we've got 2 giant hanging lockers here, 3 big drawers underneath, more storage here. And then as you come into the head, this really blew me away when I first saw it. You've got a nice sink here, beautiful mirror, backlit, lots of storage, nice blue appointments in here, and then this gigantic shower stall. And then of course, the toilet forward and the appropriate ventilation hatch. So this 2024 Fountaine Pajot boat is for sale at just a shade less than 1.1 million, brand new. We have an open house on the boat at Shelter Island Marina in San Diego, October 18th, 3 p.m. To RSVP for that, just click the link below.